Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Python for Data Science, we are going to understand about dictionary methods. That includes understanding about update, pop, del, which is the short form of delete, pop item, clear, copy, dict, and finally sorted. Let's begin with understanding about dictionary methods. Dictionaries in Python are a powerful and versatile data structure that allows you to store and manage key value pairs. These methods enable adding, updating, removing, and copying elements as well as sorting and clearing dictionaries. First comes update method. The update method adds or updates key value pairs from one dictionary into another. In Python, the update method takes key value pairs from one dictionary and adds them to the another one. If a key already exists in the original dictionary, its value will be updated with the new one from the second dictionary. This method allows you to easily merge or modify dictionaries. Here is the syntax of it. This line merges other dict into my dict, adding new keys and updating existing ones. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. First, create two dictionaries named myDict and otherDict. Then call the update method on myDict, passing otherDict as an argument. This will add all key value pairs from otherDict to myDict, updating any existing keys with the new values from otherDict. This example demonstrates how to merge two dictionaries in Python using the update method. First, we define two dictionaries, myDict with the keys name, age, and otherDict with the key city. We then print both the dictionaries to see their initial contents. Next, we use the update method on myDict with otherDict as an argument, which adds the key value pair from otherDict to myDict. Finally, we print myDict again to see the updated dictionary, now including the city key from otherDict. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Second comes pop method. In Python, the pop method is used primarily with dictionaries to remove a specific key value pair and return the corresponding value. When invoked with the key as an argument, pop method removes the associated key value pair from the dictionary, effectively deleting it. It then returns the value associated with that key. If the specified key is not found, the method raises a key error. This method is useful for selectively removing elements from dictionaries while simultaneously accessing their values. Here is the syntax of it. This expression in Python removes the specified key from myDict and assigns the corresponding value to the variable value. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To begin, create a dictionary named myDict. Next, identify the specific key within this dictionary that you want to remove. Then, apply the pop method to the dictionary, passing the chosen key as its argument. This action will remove the key value pair associated with the specified key from myDict. Finally, capture the value that was removed by assigning it to a variable named value. This sequence allows for targeted removal of entries from dictionaries while retaining access to the removed value for further use. This example illustrates the use of pop method in Python to remove a specific key value pair from a dictionary. Initially, myDict is defined with three key value pairs. Upon printing myDict, all key value pairs are displayed. Then, pop method is used with the key age as its argument, resulting in the removal of corresponding key value pair from myDict. Subsequently, the modified myDict is printed again, now lacking the key value pair associated with the age. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Third comes delete method. In Python, the del, which is the short form of delete statement, is used to remove items from various data structures, including dictionaries. Specifically, when applied to a dictionary, delete method removes the key value pair associated with the specified key. Unlike the pop method, which also returns the removed value, delete method only focuses on deleting the key value pair without returning any value. This statement is direct and efficient way to eliminate specific elements from dictionaries, contributing to dynamic data management in Python program. Here is the syntax of it. This line directly deletes the key value pair associated with the specified key from the dictionary myDict. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To begin, initialize a dictionary variable named myDict. Next, identify the specific key within this dictionary that you want to delete. Then apply the del statement, that is delete statement, with the chosen key to remove the corresponding key value pair from myDict. This example demonstrates the use of del statement in Python to delete a specific key value pair from a dictionary. In this example, a dictionary named myDict is initialized with three key value pairs: name John, age 30, and city New York. The delete statement is then utilized to remove the key name from myDict. Subsequently, the modified myDict is printed, displaying the dictionary contents without the key value pair associated with the name. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Fourth comes Popitem method. The Popitem method in Python dictionaries removes and returns the last inserted key value pair as a tuple. It's useful for situations where you need to retrieve and remove items from a dictionary in order they were inserted. Here is the syntax of it. This line in Python removes and retrieves the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary myDict, assigning the key to the variable key and the value to the variable value. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To start, initialize a dictionary variable named myDict. Then apply the Popitem method to myDict, removing and returning the last inserted key value pair. Finally, unpack the returned tuple into separate variables named key and value. This sequence facilitates the removal and retrieval of the most recently added key value pairs from the dictionary, allowing further manipulation if necessary. This example demonstrates the usage of Popitem method in Python. Initially, a dictionary named myDict is defined with three key value pairs. Upon executing the last inserted key value pair, which in this case is city, New York, is removed from myDict. The key city is assigned to the variable key and the corresponding value New York is assigned to the variable value. Finally, the print statement displays the removed key value pair showing both the key and its associated value. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Fifth comes clear method. Indeed, the clear method in Python is utilized with dictionaries to remove all key value pairs, essentially emptying the dictionary. When called, it leaves the dictionary with no items, effectively resetting it to an empty state while retaining its structure. This method is particularly useful when you need to discard all existing data within a dictionary, providing a straightforward means to clear its content without the need for iteration or manual removal of individual items. Here is the syntax of it. This line empties the dictionary myDict, removing all its key value pairs. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To start, initialize a dictionary variable named myDict. Then apply the clear method to myDict, which will remove all key value pairs from the dictionary, effectively emptying it. This sequence ensures that the dictionary is cleared of all its content, providing a clean state for potential new data. This example demonstrates the usage of clear method in Python dictionaries to remove all key value pairs from a dictionary. In this example, a dictionary named myDict is initialized with three key value pairs. Upon printing myDict, all key value pairs are displayed. Subsequently, the clear method is applied to myDict, removing all key value pairs from the dictionary. After calling clear method, the dictionary myDict is printed again, resulting in an empty dictionary being displayed. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Sixth comes copy method. The copy method in Python dictionaries creates a shallow copy of the original dictionary, meaning it duplicates the structure and contents of the dictionary but not the objects themselves. This means changes made to the copied dictionary do not affect the original one, but changes to mutable objects within the dictionary will reflect in both. It's useful for preserving the original dictionary while allowing independent modifications to the copied one. Here is the syntax of it. This line creates a shallow copy of myDict and assigns it to newDict. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To begin, initialize a dictionary variable named myDict. Then utilize the copy method on myDict to create a shallow copy of the original dictionary. Finally, assign this copy dictionary to a new variable named newDict. This process results in newDict containing a duplicate of key value pairs from myDict, allowing for independent manipulation while preserving the original dictionary. This example illustrates the usage of copy method. In this example, a dictionary named myDict is initialized with three key value pairs. Upon printing myDict, all key value pairs are displayed. Then, the copy method is used on myDict to create a shallow copy which is assigned to the variable newDict. Subsequently, newDict is printed, displaying the same key value pairs as myDict. This confirms that newDict is an independent copy of myDict, allowing for separate manipulation of its contents. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Seventh comes Dict constructor. The Dict constructor in Python generates a dictionary from an iterable of key value pairs where each item represents a single pair. It's versatile, accepting different iterable formats like list of tuples or other dictionaries. This method facilitates the creation of dictionaries from various data structures, offering flexibility in data manipulation and conversion. Here is the syntax of it. This line creates a dictionary newDict from an iterable, interpreting each element as a key value pair. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. First, define an iterable containing key value pairs. Then, utilize the dict constructor to generate a new dictionary from this iterable. Finally, assign the resulting dictionary to a variable named newDict. This sequence enables the creation of a dictionary from the provided iterable data structure. In this example, an iterable is defined as a list containing tuples, each representing a key value pair, which is name John and age 30. The dict constructor is then used with the iterable to create a new dictionary, newDict. When printed, newDict displays the key value pairs derived from the iterable, resulting in name John, age 30 as the output. This example present here demonstrates how the dict constructor can be used to create a copy of an existing dictionary. In this example, a dictionary named myDict is initialized with three key value pairs. Upon printing myDict, all key value pairs are displayed. Then, the dict constructor is used with myDict as an argument to create a new dictionary, newDict. Subsequently, newDict is printed, displaying the same key value pairs as myDict. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. Last comes sorted function. The sorted function in Python returns a new sorted list of keys extracted from a dictionary. By default, it sorts the keys in ascending order and returns them as a list. This function is particularly useful when you need to iterate over the keys of a dictionary in a sorted order, enabling operations such as sorting dictionaries based on their keys or extracting keys in a specific order for further processing. Here is the syntax of it. This line creates a new list containing sorted keys extracted from the dictionary myDict. Let's look at the pseudocode representation of it as a summary of how to do it. To start, initialize a dictionary variable named myDict. Then employ the sorted function to extract a sorted list of keys from myDict. Finally, assign the sorted list to a variable named sorted keys. This sequence facilitates the creation of a sorted list of keys from the dictionary suitable for further processing or iteration. Finally, here is an example that demonstrates how to obtain a sorted list of keys from a dictionary in Python. In this example, a dictionary named myDict is initialized with three key value pairs. The sorted function is then used to obtain a sorted list of keys extracted from myDict, which is assigned to the variable sorted keys. Finally, sorted keys is printed, displaying the sorted keys extracted from the dictionary. Let's execute this and check. As discussed, here is the output. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.